Feel the air enter, not just lungs but soul. Now ask gently, who is breathing? Not the body, but the one who wears it. Listen, that silence behind thought, that presence beneath skin. It is you. Now sing. This hand that holds the cup of tea, this heart that beats so tenderly, these eyes that weep and gaze at stars, they are not who I truly am. They serve me well, they feel they ache. They walk through time, turn page by page, but deep within a voice says clear, you've always been beyond this fear. This body and me. When pain arises sharp and deep, I do not say now I must weep. For though the flesh may cry and stray, the witness knows no loss or gain. With silver hair and slower pace, I smile and whisper to the clouds, you age, but I am as I was. Kayomba natume, I am not this form, I am an ileren umena, I am the flame without an rashanu. This body and soul. Dive and drive into it deep. Alon to alon. Kialo. Kialo. When death arrives, ask us not full. I will not fight, nor beg, nor show the fear that binds the small self-tie. I'll say, my love, good night. This vessel served, this dream was sweet, but now no grave can hold what always flies. I am stars, the moon, the sunrise shine you. Arune, I release all chains, I am free. Merati, I am not this body.